Are you tired of having your secretary do your automated messages?
Hello? Oh yeah, sorry we're closed. You're gonna have to call back later.
Or employees pitching your products?
Oh boy, have we got something you're gonna love!
Or maybe you've just hired cheap, inexperienced talent.
Is this good, yeah? Am I too far away? How's this now? That good, yeah?
Perhaps you've ended up with a diva.
I need some water. It is too cold in here. I want to sit.
Well, suffer no more.
What I have is a very specific set of skills. Skills to help people like you.
So visit www.meganselkevoiceover.com today and get the sound of Selke. That's www.meganselkevoiceover.com.